Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today my video is how to change your parking lamps. Here lies the parking lamp of your Honda City. Now these are the halogen lamps. I will change this with particular LED lamps. These are Osram brand and I have made a similar video of Maruti Suzuki Swift, and these lights will give you a 2 years warranty and it's around 400 rupees, and I have purchased this from Amazon. Replacing this particular lamp is very simple, so I will show you how to do it. First, locate where is your parking lamp connector is. So this is the parking lamp connector which I will open. So here it's very simple, just plug and play formula. I have opened it. There are several cheap LED lamps also, but I won't suggest them because there may be issue with them. Your car in EQ may not recognize those bulbs because LEDs are having very low wattage, so that may be a problem. There may be a polarity issue, so I will first switch on and check whether it's working or not. Okay, so it's working. So if you find that your lamp is not working, just change the polarity, because in LED there is a polarity issue. Reinstall it. Similarly I will do with the other one also. জ্বলছে ঠিক আছে. So this one is also working. Very easy, just insert it and you will find a click sound, so it locks. Fitted both the lamps. Unless it gets dark, I won't be able to show you how it looks. So once it gets dark, I will show you how it looks. Find the video useful, and if you think you can do this particular job, it will give an enhanced look, and please do subscribe.